This is a voice-over speech that I am recording using the Boya MM-1 Mini-Shotgun Microphone. This mic is connected to my Asus laptop and being recorded with the Sony Sound Forge Pro. The audio that you are hearing here is unedited and has no noise suppression applied. This is only a demo video for the Boya MM-1 Mini-Shotgun Microphone. I am making a separate video diary for Paprika the calico cat. Hello! This is a short video diary of Paprika's first month with us. Paprika is a female calico cat. This is the first photo of them that I took from April 28, 2021. Less than a week before this picture was shot, I began to hear kittens crying nearby. Eventually, I was able to pinpoint that this sound was coming from in front of our home and right under the balete tree or the Ficus religiosa. There were 3 of the siblings there. 2 of them were calico female and 1 is an orange male. But Paprika was the only one coming to me to ask for food. The other 2 were very shy and hiding inside the hole. So I frequently drop by and give them cat food. Other people in the area also leave some food for them. A few days later, Mama found Paprika wandering outside on the sidewalk. So she took her home into the garage, and Paprika stayed inside the garage so that she would be safe. Paprika warms up very quickly when I was playing with her using the fluffy toy. Once we brought Paprika inside our home, Pepper, the black cat, immediately accepted her. She is a very protective mother, even though she never had any kittens before. Pepper, as the mother cat, is very attentive and always following Paprika around. And this gray cat here is Angel. She is the mother of Pepper, and she is the grandmother of Paprika. Angel happens to be a very attentive mother cat. I think that is where Pepper got her warm and nurturing personality. I will upload another video update of Paprika the rescue cat. I hope you could like this video and also subscribe. Thank you.